friends, I'm back, and the next thing I'm going to bake, I'm going to show you. It's out of my cookbook again on page 164. It's Cranberry Nut Bread. My family loves this at Christmas time. So we're going to use this recipe, and I'm going to show you how easy it is to make. And I will do this, I will tell you the recipe as I go. Plus I'll put all my recipes in the description box as well. So with that, we've got 2 cups of flour. I'm not going to double this. This is a single recipe. We got 2 cups of flour. To that, I'm going to add 3/4 cups of sugar. Okay. And 3/4 tablespoon, 3/4 of a teaspoon of salt, a teaspoon and a half of baking powder, and a half a teaspoon of baking soda. Those are all going in there. Okay? And we're going to give that a little bit of a whisk. Okay? Perfect. Okay, now to that, we are going to add our cranberries and walnuts. And I have 1 cup of cranberries, fresh cranberries, and 1/2 cup of walnuts chopped up and mixed together. And I'm going to put all that in there. Okay? Then I'm going to I'm going to crack an egg in there. And I need my... Okay. 1 egg went in there. 3/4 cups of orange juice is going in here. And you always ask me, people always ask me, what do you store in that pretty rooster? My vegetable oil. And I need 2 tablespoons of it. So I'll show you. I love this thing. It was given to me years ago. And I always use my vegetable oil in it. So we're going to need 2 tablespoons of vegetable oil. And there we have it. All right. See how easy that is? Oh, Mr. Rooster. Love it. All right, so now we're going to mix this all together. And this is going to be fantastic. Absolutely. See that beautiful dough that does? I love that. Okay, so now we're going to transfer that into a nice baking dish. I'll put it in here, and I'm also going to spray it. All right. This is going to be wonderful. And this is going to bake at 350 degrees for about 50 minutes. Or until, well, I don't want to waste time. Or until I don't want to do that either. Let's see, we'll do it this way so I'm not beating that against that glass. So you're going to want to bake this at 350 degrees for about 50 minutes or until it's nice and golden brown and a toothpick inserted comes out clean. That simple and that easy. And what a wonderful little sweetbread to make for Christmas. So when that's all done, I'll be back and I'll show you how nice that turns out. Okay friends, I just pulled this out of the oven and it is beautiful. Completely done and gorgeous golden brown. My family's gonna love it. I hope you give this a try because you will love this bread. So there you have it. Another easy, quick bread. Thanks for watching.